Hello children, welcome to the second module. I know you have more than enough patience to listen to me. Let me first give you the introduction of national party. Now listen children, the democracies that follow a federal system, they have two kinds of political parties. Clear? Parties that are present only one of the federal units and parties that are present in several or all the units of federation. You are seeing and you have read also that there are some countrywide parties and these are called as national parties. Clear, no? You have to remember that the national parties, they have their units in various states. They follow the same policies, the programs are same, and the strategy of the party is decided at the national level. And you also know that every party in the country has to register with the election commission. No doubt the election commission will treat all the parties equally, but at the same time it will give special facilities to large and established parties, and it is the election commission that gives them a unique symbol. Clear? And these parties are known as recognized political parties because they are being given special privileges and also some special facilities are given. On the right hand side, you can see the names of some of the national political parties. Bahujan Samaj Party, CPIM, CPI, Nationalist Congress Party. You know, two parties are not mentioned here. Do you know which are they? That is Indian National Congress and Bharatiya Janata Party. Children, you have to know the names, the symbols and features of all the national parties. It's a sure question. Now, when you're learning about these national parties, I want all the students to take your textbook and see page 80 as well as page 81. Let's begin with BSP, Bahujan Samaj Party. It was formed in 1984. Clear, no? It was formed in 1984 under the leadership of Khansi Ram. Clear? And what is the aim of BSP? It seeks to represent and secure power for the Bahujan Samaj, which is including the Dalits, the Adivasis, the OBCs and religious minorities. The next policy of BSP is that it stands for the cause of securing the interest and welfare of the Dalits and oppressed people. BSP draws inspiration from the ideas and teachings of these great personalities which are shown on the slide. Sahu Maharaj, Mahatma Phule, Periyar Ramasamy Naikar and Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Clear? So you must remember these, dear students. Sometimes for the board exam, they will give you the portrait. You have to write the name of the personality and the name of the party. I hope by now the students got an idea about the names of the national parties and more information about BSP. Remember this also, that the BSP has its main base in Uttar Pradesh and also it is present in the neighboring states like Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttarakhand, Delhi and Punjab. Clear? I hope it is clear about BSP.